Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you have a tire that is making a hissing sound like this because you got a nail in it or something else, this video is for you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this thing out. We're gonna plug this ourselves using this product by Slime, this tire plug kit. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull out whatever this is, and then we're gonna plug it. Once you pull the nail or whatever is in the tire, then all you gotta do is take the poker that comes with this kit, and it's serrated, and you're just gonna jam it in that hole and dig it in and pull it out and really ream out that hole and kind of make it a little bit bigger, just enough because the next piece of equipment that comes with this, it's a two-part system, is gonna be this little spike, and you're gonna take the little included very sticky rubber tube, and you're gonna feed that through the threaded end of this spike, and then you're gonna jam it directly into the tire. So when you're pulling that out, don't twist it, just jerk it out of the tire as fast as possible. It will come free. Once done, if there's excess sticking up, you can trim it down with like a razor blade, spray it with some soapy water, see if you got any bubbles, and if not, you are good to go.